creek today. Up the homes in McBride. This is my first actual day. We got Dustin the groomer ahead of me, and then 2 Albertans behind me. I don't know. Don't really know them, but yeah. Should be sick. Before there's a trail where we went in by that cat. That's all there was. The trail went down further in the valley, and so that's nice. Little 6. And then we'd go up here through the valley, probably right down that creek there. They'd be all ribboned off. They'd have a trail broken in kind of idea, and you'd just come up here and break your way into the Alpine up there. This is a hell of a lot easier. Yeah, so right now we'd be right in there, coming up that creek. And then you'd come up, that was like an avalanche chute, and you'd stay in this creek bottom all the way up into, yeah, you come up that creek right there, and up into the Alpine up there. Brings back so many memories. Me and my dad used to try to push up that hill. Right in the damn bum hole. Ow. That was rough. This is so sick in here.
A little windier here than
Yeah. Holy crap.
yeah. We were gonna go up there and see if we can. You wanna ride this?
The boost? Sure. You got the tether there?
It was a psych out. Your first get, you're good to ride here, you knew. Fork seems to be okay on that, but it's on the right side, not in the middle. You got good suspension, then you can
hard to hold on to. Frick me. Oh, this is rowdy. Hard to hold on to it.
Yeah, it's a little different.
Yeah.
There is less bottom end for the guys when you get used to it.
Yeah.
Compared to like that yesterday was harder.
Yeah.
It's that 146.
I'm gonna head down.
Yeah, we're just gonna do a loser lap and leave too.
Okay.
You wanna wait for us?
I could, yeah.
I'm just gonna get my bag on. I'm not sure Brad just fucked off. I'm gonna throw my bag on.
Okay. Yeah. That's it for today, I think.